Chapter 1 Product Introduction.
This device is a hybrid electric vehicle simulator. It is a device specifically designed for teaching and training purposes. By using this device, students can gain a deep understanding of the relevant knowledge and skills of hybrid vehicles, improve practical skills in the field of hybrid vehicles. The product composition includes teaching panel, schematic diagram of hybrid electric vehicle, and flowing lights, permanent magnet synchronous motor, fuel pump, gear shift lever, USB interface, brake switch, accelerator pedal, system work simulation switch, and equipped with software, etc.
Chapter 2 Operating Instructions and Precautions.
Next, I will introduce the operating instructions and precautions. Strictly follow the equipment manual and operating specifications for operation. Avoid long-term overload operation of equipment to prevent overheating and damage. Ensure that the equipment operates in a dry and well-ventilated environment with appropriate temperature and humidity and is kept away from corrosive substances. Pay attention to the operating status of the equipment, such as whether the sound, temperature, and indicator lights are abnormal. It should be operated and maintained by trained professionals.
Chapter 3 Training Courses. 1. Introduction of Main Components.
Next, I will introduce the main components and functions. System structure schematic and flow light module. Its function is to indicate the system's operation. Indicate the energy flow of the system during operation. Permanent magnet synchronous motor, simulating the operation of hybrid vehicle drive motor. Fuel pump, simulating the fuel supply operation of a car fuel pump. Gear shift lever, simulate changing gears in a car. Brake switch, simulating car braking. USB interface connected to a computer. The throttle pedal knob switch is used to adjust the speed. The system working mode switch module will make the corresponding working mode after pressing the corresponding switch.
2. System Working Process Demonstration.
Next, I will demonstrate the working process. Firstly, before operation, it is necessary to connect a 220 volts AC power supply to this device, and connect the USB cable to the computer. Then turn on the ignition switch. You can choose the system working mode according to your needs. Press the corresponding mode switch, and the system will perform the corresponding mode operation. Rotate the gear shift lever to select the required gear. We are now in gear D. Rotate the accelerator pedal knob and the motor starts working. Select the corresponding system working mode. Rotate the accelerator pedal knob, and the frequency of the flowing light and the speed of the motor will change with the accelerator pedal knob. Press the brake switch to simulate car braking. The motor stops rotating and the system energy indicator flowing light will immediately turn off. Release the brake switch, the motor resumes operation, and the system flow indicator light is on. Select engine operating mode. Press the switch and the fuel pump works. Energy flowing indicator light displaying engine operation. Next, I will demonstrate the operation of the software. Open the software. Select the COM port and click Confirm. This shows that the device has been connected. We can choose Device Control Software or Software Controlled Device. Now we choose Software Controlled Device. Then press the Mode switch. The flowing light on the device lights up. The flowing light on the software is on. Turn off the work mode switch on the software and the flow lights on the software and the device will turn off. Then we adjust the gear on the software. After adjusting the gear, adjust the accelerator pedal. Motor displays rotational speed. Then the motor on the equipment will also rotate. Then turn down the accelerator pedal switch. The motor speed on the software is 0. The motor on the equipment also stops rotating. Software control device demonstration ends. Now demonstrate the device control software. Click to select hardware control mode. Then shift to D gear on the device. Rotate the throttle pedal control knob. The motor on the equipment rotates. The software displays the motor speed. Rotate the accelerator pedal knob to the minimum position. The motor on the equipment stops rotating. The motor speed in the software is 0. Press the fuel mode switch. The flowing light is on. Fuel pump operation. The software also displays the working status. Display fuel pump operation. Turn off the fuel mode switch. The flowing light goes out. Fuel pump stops working. The same applies to software. The flow light on the software also stops working. The demonstration is over.
3. Electrical signal measurement.
Next, we will conduct signal testing. Measure the accelerator pedal signal. First, turn on the ignition switch and then shift the device to D gear. We set the multimeter to the DC 60 volts gear. Then insert the red and black probes into the VSPA and VPA terminals respectively. Rotate the throttle knob switch. The voltage of the multimeter increases as the throttle knob is raised. The motor also rotates faster as the voltage increases. The signal test is over.
4. Fault setting and troubleshooting.
Next, I will demonstrate fault setting and troubleshooting. This device has a total of 5 faults. We will use G05 oil pump fault as a demonstration. Press the full speed operation mode switch and the oil pump will start working. Then open the fault setting module in the software. Click to set oil pump fault. The oil pump stops working. Turn off the oil pump fault. The oil pump starts working. The fault demonstration is over.
Chapter 4. Equipment maintenance.
Next, I will introduce equipment maintenance. Regularly clean the dust and debris on the surface of the equipment to maintain cleanliness and tidiness. Regularly check whether the connection terminals, plugs, sockets and other connection parts are loose and deal with them in a timely manner if necessary. Regularly conduct equipment function and performance testing to ensure normal operation. Timely replace aging and damaged components such as fuses, leakage protection switches, etc. Regularly check whether the circuit is intact, whether there is damage, poor contact, and other issues.
Thanks for watching.